Hey there, guys. It's me, Steve, and welcome back to Grind to Freedom. Here, where we're grinding towards our freedom. And today, we're going to be talking about if you're unemployed, get your ass on YouTube. Get your ass on YouTube if you're unemployed. So, YouTube has been a place where, like, many people in the past, in the very distant past, started as a hobby, complete hobby. But now that it's been proven that YouTube can become either a stepping stone for your already actual living, breathing business, or it can be something like a side hustle that potentially can grow into a business. A lot of people are starting YouTube as jobs, careers, to the point that I even spoken at schools with kids in middle school, elementary school. And when you ask them what you want to be when you grow up, a lot of them tell you a YouTuber. Like that's a real career that people can actually pursue. So if you're unemployed right now, you need to get your ass on YouTube. And sometimes when we're unemployed, we don't have a lot of motivation. Or we go like, I don't know if I want to go back to the workforce, or I just want to stay unemployed, or I want to collect this unemployment checks, or whatever it is. But the process of being unemployed is something that is very complex and not everybody understands. So if you're sharing your experience about being unemployed, the process you have to go through, your struggles, you have to make a phone call that lasted, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours, like all those things that happen on a day-to-day basis. Those are things that you could be reporting on. Those are things that you could be informing people on. Those are things that you could be very helpful to other people that might be going through a similar experience or might be thinking about being unemployed very soon. So you can do that by just being helpful. So the more you think about others, how you can help others, the more you can actually connect with them and people can gravitate towards you and you guys can create magic together. But it starts with you getting your ass on YouTube. So if you're unemployed right now, you need to get your ass on YouTube. Get on right now. And if you like this type of content, subscribe. Before I forget, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have this motivational content, because it's literally going to help you propel your business to the next level. It's going to help you create that YouTube channel you always desire. And I have my best intentions for you to grow and become the most amazing person you can. I want you to go from unemployed to actually working and living a life that you deserve, that you always wanted, and that you can be your own boss. And YouTube provides that, but you have to put the you in the two, okay? And the only way you do that is by sharing your authentic experience, by sharing your story, by sharing your process through navigating the unemployment waters. All you have to do is get started. If you like this type of content, please like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Comment below what it is that you're going to do to get started right now. What is the name of your YouTube channel? What are you going to do? What are you motivated on? Put it in the comments below, and you got to do it now, because if you leave it for later or you say, oh, I'm gonna write it later, it's going to dissipate that motivation. So do it right now that you're very motivated to do it, and share this with one friend or two or three that you know might be unemployed and they might need a little pick me up. This will help them a lot. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.